English to Gujarati restaurant words.
Restaurant, menu.
And more. Welcome to Dinner Disaster. Hey, you are about to survive a very dramatic dinner while learning Gujarati. Good news. No real waiter will judge you, even if you accidentally order 17 soups. Tonight, you walk toward a glowing
Restaurant.
You are hungry, confident, and only slightly confused, which is honestly the perfect mood for language learning. At the door, your friend whispers, "Relax, we have an
Arakshan.
Excellent. You do not have to wrestle strangers for a table. Inside the
Restaurant.
A waiter appears with the speed of a magician and hands you a
Menu.
You open the
Menu.
like it contains the secrets of the universe. Sadly, it mostly contains lentils, bread, and one dessert with a name you cannot pronounce. You smile bravely and place your
Order.
Then you remember the important sentence, "I have an
Allergy.
Very useful, much better than discovering your
Allergy.
while your mouth is already negotiating with peanuts. The food arrives, the meal is great, and at the end comes the final boss of restaurant vocabulary, the
Bill.
If the service is kind, you can leave a
Bakshis.
Congratulations. You have just walked through the entire restaurant adventure in Gujarati. Your core words today. Let's make the key words stick in your brain. Repeat them out loud like you are starring in a very educational cooking show. Restaurant is.
Restaurant.
Imagine walking into a warm
Restaurant.
full of delicious smells. Menu is.
Menu.
The
Menu.
is your food map, your tasty treasure guide. Order is.
Order.
You read, you point, you pray, and then you make your
Order.
bill is.
Bill.
The meal ends, the smile fades a little, and the
Bill.
arrives. Tip is.
Bakshis.
A
Bakshis.
is extra money for good service. Reservation is.
Arakshan.
Your
Arakshan.
saves your table before you arrive. Allergy is.
Allergy.
If food causes problems, you need the word.
Allergy.
Fast. Mini dialogue at the table. Now listen to a short scene. You are the brave customer, and thankfully nobody here is charging extra for panic. Waiter. Welcome to the
Restaurant.
Do you have an
Arakshan.
You. Yes, I have an
Arakshan.
Waiter. Great. Here is the
Menu.
You. Thanks. I want to make an
Order.
but I have an
Allergy.
Waiter. No problem. We will help you with your
Order.
You. Perfect. And later, can I have the
Bill.
Waiter. Of course. If you enjoy the service, you may leave a
Bakshis.
You. Excellent. I came for dinner, but I also got a vocabulary workout. Funny memory tricks. Let's glue these words into memory with silly images. Your brain loves nonsense almost as much as it loves snacks. Picture a giant neon sign saying,
Restaurant.
and every spoon inside is wearing a tie. Imagine a huge
Menu.
so big it needs its own chair at the table. Rude, but memorable. See yourself making an
Order.
and the waiter brings everything except what you asked for, one sock, a watermelon, and emotional confusion. Visualize the
Bill.
unrolling across the floor like a royal carpet of financial regret. Imagine shiny coins doing a tiny dance and shouting, "We are."
Bakshis.
We are appreciation with rhythm. Picture your
Arakshan.
as a golden ticket guarding your table from hungry strangers. See a peanut wearing dark sunglasses and a warning sign that says,
Allergy.
It thinks it is cool. It is not. Quick practice challenge. Your turn now. I will ask, you answer out loud. If you answer confidently in your kitchen, that still counts as international success. What is the Gujarati word for restaurant?
Restaurant.
What word do you ask for to see the food list?
Menu.
What is the Gujarati word for order?
Order.
At the end of the meal, what arrives on the table?
Bill.
What extra money can you leave for good service?
बख्शीस.
What word means reservation?
आरक्षण.
What important health word do you need if a food is dangerous for you?
Allergy.
One last smooth review. Let's finish strong with one clean story. You already know more than the imaginary tourist who keeps trying to pay with coupons from 1998. You arrive at a
Restaurant.
within.
आरक्षण.
You sit down and open the
Menu.
you make an
Order.
and if needed, you explain your.
Allergy.
After the meal, you ask for the
Bill.
if the service is great, you leave a.
बख्शीस.
That is a full restaurant conversation, and you just handled it like a champion. Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work today. You showed up, learned useful words, and survived the terrifying arrival of the
Bill.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
Restaurant. Menu. Order. Bill. बख्शीस. आरक्षण.
And
Allergy.
out loud. The more you repeat them, the more natural they will feel. Thanks for listening, and keep practicing your Gujarati a little every day.